Good morning, children. Class 4 Social Science. Children, today we are going to see lesson number 2, the story of Madras Presidency. Learning objectives. Children will be able to list today's states and districts that were a part of Madras Presidency. Describe the history of Madras Presidency. Recognize the districts of Madras Presidency. Name the tourist place in Tamil Nadu. Children, today we are going to see the topic Madras Presidency. Madras Presidency was formed in 1801. It was an important province of British India. It was also known as Madras Province and officially known as the Presidency of Fort St. George. It included areas of southern India such as the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and parts of Odisha and the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. And you can see in the map the Madras Presidency 1911. You can see some of the places I have given here. The first, children, you can see the first place is South Kannara. Second one is Malabar. Third one you can see Nilgiris. Fourth one Coimbatore. Fifth one Madura. Sixth one Tirunelveli. Seventh one Ramnath. Eighth one Tanjore. Ninth one Tiruchirappalli. 10th one South Arcot. 11th one Salem. 12th one North Arcot. 13th one Chengalpet. 14th one Madras. 15th one Chittoor. 16th one Anantapur. 17th one Bellary Sandur State. 18th one Kurnool. 19th one Kadapa. 20th one Nellore. 21 Guntur. 22 Kistana. 23 Godivari West. 24 Godivari East. 25 Visakhapatnam. 26 Ganjam. So the city of Madras, now known as Chennai, was the capital of presidency. In 1862, the province was divided into 22 districts. Then it was divided into 24 districts. Later in 1911, the province was further divided into 26 districts, including North Arcot, South Arcot, Chengalpet, Madras, Salem, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, Madura, Ramnath, Tirunelveli and Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. It was under the British rule until 1947. After independence, after 147 years of its formation, the Madras Presidency was renamed as Madras State in 1947 as India gained independence. In 1956, the Madras States consists of 4 regions comprising of 13 districts, namely Madras, Chengalpet, North Arcot, South Arcot, Salem, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, Coimbatore, Nilgiris, Madurai, Tirunelveli, Ramanathapuram, Kanyakumari. It was officially renamed as Tamil Nadu in 1969. Now, children, let us learn more about the 4 regions of Tamil Nadu. And first one we are going to see region 1. Under that heading, first topic Madras. The modern districts of Chennai, Tiruvallur and Kanjipuram constitute the Madras district. British brought a part of the land from the Nayak rulers in 1639. They built Fort St. George and named the area Madras Pattinam. You can see in the picture the Fort St. George. Next topic we are going to see Gudiyam Caves. Gudiyam Caves are rock shelters in South India and are known for their prehistoric stone tools and evidence of human living there near 2 lakhs years ago. Next topic we are going to see Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram was created by the Pallava dynasty. It has many rock sculptures and is declared by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Next topic we are going to see Uttarameru. Uttarameru, an ancient Chola village, is located in Kanjipuram district. The temple inscriptions of Uttarameru are notable for their historical descriptions of rural self-governance. Next topic we are going to see North Arcot. The modern districts of Vellore and Tiruvannamalai constituted the North Arcot district. Vellore Fort is an ancient fort built in 1566 by Chinnabhumi Nayak and Timma Reddy Nayak. Next you can see the picture Vainu Babu Observatory. The Vainu Babu Observatory is an astronomical observatory. It is located at Kavalur. This is the biggest observatory in Asia. Next topic we are going to see South Arcot. The modern districts of Viluppuram and Kadalur constitute the South Arcot district. Next one you can see the picture Aravalli. Aravalli is an experimental township in Viluppuram district near Puducherry. It is a place where people from all over the world come and live together to build a culture of unity. Next one you can see in the picture Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort, also called as Senji Fort, is one of the beautiful forts in Tamil Nadu. This fortress is built across 3 hillocks in Viluppuram district. The British called this fort as Troy of the East. And next topic we are going to see Port Novo. Port Novo, also called as Parangipettai, it is situated in Kadalur district. The first iron and steel industry of India was located at Port Novo in 1830. Next topic, Region 2, will see in next class. Thank you, children.